SwitchBoard Ultra is the latest solid-core composite PVCu decking system from Liniar, featuring a high-density PVCu foam core surrounded by a capped PVCu shell. SwitchBoard Ultra contains no wood fillers. This means it offers fantastic resistance to mould and moisture damage, ensuring a durable, maintenance-free deck for many years to come. And just like the original SwitchBoard, the boards can be fitted on either side for a choice of attractive finishes. The next generation capped PVCu shell covers the deck board on all four sides, providing lifelong performance and with guaranteed colour stability. As the boards are extruded, Liniar's high-tech dual embossing system imprints a realistic wood grain into the top and bottom face to create a more natural looking board. Easy to fit using a bespoke T-clip with pre-inserted fixings, SwitchBoard Ultra can be installed on a standard timber subframe, but for a fully moisture-resistant decking installation, choose one of Liniar's aluminium or galvanised steel subframes. This video will show you how quick and simple it is to install SwitchBoard Ultra decking. More detailed instructions can be found on the Liniar website. Just search for SwitchBoard Ultra. Before beginning the installation, check that the subframe is square, stable and sufficiently supported. Make sure the subframe has a minimum gradient of approximately 1 in 100 to allow for water runoff. Use the Liniar expansion gap guidance to calculate the offset needed from any walls or boundaries. Ensure that the distance between supporting joist centres does not exceed 400 mm. Next, decide which surface of SwitchBoard Ultra should be visible on the top, wood grain patterned or grooved. SwitchBoard Ultra deck boards can be used to skirt around the subframe for a neat and aesthetically pleasing finish. In this instance, we are using foiled architrave. First, cut the skirting to length and mitre corners. Next, install the skirting flush with the top surface of the subframe. Secure in place using a suitable adhesive. Position the first board in place and fix down leading edge at 400 mm centres. In this instance, starter clips have been used. Fix down starter clips into the subframe, then slide the first deck board into the clips. Insert the T-clips and screw down into each joist. If fixing into a timber subframe, use LDM 050. If fixing into Liniar's steel or aluminium subframes, use LDM 049. From now on, each deck board simply butts up to the clips on the first board, with the clips acting as their own 5mm spacer. Fix each board into place and repeat for all boards until you reach the edge. Fix down the final edge at 400mm centres. In this instance, we are using face fixings and plugs. If fixing into a timber subframe, use LDH 042 screws. If fixing into Liniar's steel or aluminium subframes, use LDH 041 screws. Simply screw down to the set depth and tap in the colour matched plugs, leaving no visible fixings. The specially designed L trim can be fitted around the exposed edges of your SwitchBoard Ultra installation. First, cut trims to length with mitered corners where required. Then fix them into position using colour-matched poly pins and grab adhesive. You can also use tape to hold them in place until the adhesive bonds. Alternatively, the ends of the boards can be painted using Liniar's colour-matched PVCu paint. The PVCu paint is best applied using a brush. more than one coat of paint may be necessary to ensure even coverage. Your SwitchBoard Ultra decking installation is now complete. Remember that more detailed instructions can be found in the SwitchBoard Ultra fitting instruction document on the Liniar website.